Additive Drums 2, How to Compress Bass Drum, and Blend Overhead and Room Sound. First find the main pitch you want. That will suit the rest of the music. And then the same for the overhead and room pitch. Solo on the main mic. Turn on the compressor. Lower the threshold all the way. Max ratio, fastest attack and slowest release. Now slowly increase the attack to find the attack you want. Now release the release so that the compressor can release fast enough until the next beat. Raise the threshold until you find the balance between the beat and the tail, and change the ratio to something that will suit the style. EQ out a bit around 600 Hz. Change Q to about 1.12. Solo the overhead. Add insert. And do the same with this compressor. Not too much ratio on the overhead. And EQ out a bit around 600 Hz. Change Q to about 1.12. Now solo the room sound. Add insert. Turn on the compressor and do the same ritual on the room sound. And EQ out a bit around 600 Hz. Change Q to about 1.12. Mute the room sound and blend in the overhead sound as much as you want. And now mute the overhead, unmute the room sound, blend in the room sound as much as you want. And now unmute everything to hear the complete work of yours. Always do this while listening to the rest of the music too, so that it will fit the rest of the mix. And as I promised in the previous video, here is the link to the free latency plugin. The link is in the description of this video too. Please subscribe and bye.